Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So a while ago I did a video on how to set up the Unite Discord bot, and you guys must have really liked that video because it got tons of views and it's probably my best video ever yet in terms of performance. So I'm going to be doing another video, another Discord bot setup tutorial. So this one, it's going to be Ticket Tool. You probably have heard of it if you're watching this video right now. But yeah, you're going to want to go to tickettool.xyz. You can just search up Ticket Tool and it'll be the first link. Then you're going to want to go invite Ticket Tool. And obviously you're going to select the server. I'm going to add it to this server. And you're going to get all of these. Don't mess with any of these. Just click authorize. And you should end up with this. Actually, it might show you a CAPTCHA. Just do the CAPTCHA, and then you're going to end up with this, okay? So now what you're going to want to do is go to your Discord, and sometimes you might not see them if you have like some verification thing. So what you're going to want to do is you should be able to find the bot somewhere. Just give them the roles that you want to give them. I'm going to remove the unverified role, remove member, and I'll give them a bot. So now you can just go to welcome or anything basically, and yeah, you should see the Ticket Tool bot here. Now what you're going to want to do is click here, and you can just go back if you want. Oops, sorry. You're going to want to go to Chrome. You can just keep going back or whatever, and then here you're going to want to see manage servers, and then you're going to want to log in with your Discord. Just click authorize, make sure it's the correct account, of course. And now, yeah, if you look at the server that you just did, you're gonna see, for example, I see Gaming Boys here. And it should still manage. If it says invite, it means you have not invited it to the server. Like I have tons of servers that I have not invited it. But in this server, for example, I've invited it. So you just saw me do that. So you're gonna want to click manage. Now, bot permission info, you're going to want to go to panel configs. Okay, so you're going to want to create panel, and so you should have clicked this. Now you're going to want to go to your Discord, and right here you're going to want to you're going to want to create a channel. So I'm just going to create a new category. I'm going to name it support. Now it should be created all the way at the bottom. You're going to want to put mine here. Now you're going to want to add a channel. And you're going to go on to call that support, or whatever you want to call it, of course. Support, obviously you're going to want to change the settings, permissions, okay, everyone, I'm just going to add the unverified, view channel, no. And then everyone, they should be able to view the channel. But right here where it says send messages, you don't want them to send messages here. It's going to just clog up the channel, and you really don't want that. So now that you have your channel, your newly created channel, you're going to want to go back to Chrome and panel name. You're just going to say make a ticket. Make a ticket. That's what I'm going to name it. You can name it whatever. Now select team roles. Oops, that's my bad. Alright, this is completely optional, but you can add a support role which will have access to all the roles created using this panel. What I'm going to say is, actually, yeah, we can create a support role here. So what you're going to want to do is click here. Admins will by default have access. But if you have someone that you want to give support but they're not an admin, you're just going to name it support. Save changes. And yeah, you don't have to give it a color or anything. You just want to keep it like this. Now once you have that role, you're going to want to go back to Chrome. Sorry, I was not showing my Discord when I made the role, but you should know how to create a role. You're just going to name it support. You don't need to change anything to make a name, call it support. Now support team roles, I might have to reload because I just created it. Yeah, I'm going to have to reload this. Create panel. Panel name, make ticket. Support team roles, support, right there. Now panel channel, you're gonna we just created a channel called support. You can right here. Now you're gonna want to say create panel. Now you will see this. What you will see is if you go to Discord, you will see this new message in support. Okay. So you're gonna go back to Chrome, and you're gonna wanna do settings, and you can basically access any settings right here. So you can just click the question marks, for example, right? You'll see a question mark, and you just click it, and you get options, category options. You can like click this, and what you should do here is you're going to do this, create category, tickets. Now you're going to want to do create category, and it's at the bottom. You're going to want to go edit category, permissions, everyone, and then you're going to say they cannot view the channel, cannot view channels. And ticket tool will automatically add permissions if you want them. So category open. Actually, I just created the channel, so I might have to go here and then reload. But yeah, settings, category open, tickets, save. Now, yeah, that's basically it. You can customize these. If you have any questions about anything that you can do with the customization, just all you need to do is just leave a comment, and I will make sure to answer all the comments. But yeah, because you're probably gonna have a ton of questions on, like, can I add? But yeah, so just leave a comment if you have a question. It's that simple. And now someone creates a ticket. In fact, I'll create one just to show. It's going to be a new ticket here. It's going to say, it's going to ping the person who created the ticket, which in this case is of course me. And then support will be with you shortly. To close this ticket, react with the lock. And say I click lock. The person who requested support, they're going to get an X and a check. They can just click check, and then it'll be closed. Now they can't see it anymore, but because I obviously am like an admin in the server, I can still see it. Oh, I was not showing Discord. That is my bad. But yeah, if they create a ticket, it's going to create a ticket down here. They're going to see this. They can lock it, and then it'll show ticket closed. But then they won't have access to this anymore. It's just going to be closed, and people can see this right here. And yeah, you should really add a category for closed tickets. So all you really need to do for that is you're just going to go here. You're going to want to do the exact same thing. Category options, closed tickets, then all the closed tickets will go there. But yeah, that's it. So if you did enjoy the tutorial, then please leave a like, and if you didn't, just leave a comment and say what I could have done. But yeah, that's it. So bye. Yeah, actually make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But yeah, bye bye.